Hi, I'm Helen Griffin and I'm the featured designer behind the Papercraft Society's November subscription box, and I'm going to have a quick look inside here because I want to show you one of my favourite products, which is the die set. So let's have a quick look inside. And inside you'll have a wallet just like this, and this has got all of your goodies in, so let's fish those dies out. So you get 21 dies in this set. Right, so let's have a look at the die set close up. So I've put these on my own magnetic sheet, so they don't actually come with the die set, but it's a really great way of organising your dies. So here we have the main pieces. Now this is the backbones of your bag or your card. So this die set does make a lovely bag. You can make cards. We've even made mini albums with these, and it comes with these lovely tags and things and accessories, so you can get really creative. This one is mostly Christmas themed, but as you can see from this side here, it's absolutely perfect for any time of the year. So this large outline here with the lovely ornate shape across the top, this is going to be the front and back if you're making the bag or your card base as well. And then here we have a mat, so you can really layer up. If you love layering up your projects, then it's perfect for that. So here we also have the side, so this is going to make the gusset of your bag, and as you can see, we've kept the lovely shape there. And then at the bottom here we have the bottom of the bag. So basically you'll need to cut two of the main pieces, two of the sides and two of the base. Just fold the fold lines and then glue it together. And here we have an optional holes here, so you would have to put those holes in before you glue it together. And moving on, here we have lovely accessories. So we have snowflakes, leaves, stars, we have some sentiments here. So this one says my memories, so it's absolutely perfect if you did want to make a mini album from this. Then we have a lovely buckle here, so you can really go to town and make your own Santa Claus. And then we have some lovely tag dies here as well. So let me show you some projects. So here we have the gift bag. This is just the plain gift bag without the holes in, and I've put this together with Velcro tabs there just to keep that closed, so that will look lovely under the tree or standing up by itself. And I've used the papers and accessories to decorate that bag with. And here we've also made a card as well. So I've cut two pieces from the main die to make a front and back, and I've layered it, I've stamped it. I've just really had a lot of fun with this one, and I've also trimmed off the bottom as well to make it more square, and I've used the ribbon as well in the kit. And here I've made a shorter version, so if you wanted to make this bag, the instructions are in the booklet that comes in the kit. So that's a really nice little purse, handbag shaped size gift bag, and it's quite spacious as well, so it will hold quite a lot in there. Okay, so let's put this gift bag together just so that you know how it goes together. It's really easy. So I've taken out 3 of the cardstocks here, so this will make the front and the back and the bottom. And then just for a little bit of contrast, I've gone for, we only need one of these actually, I'll put that aside. We're going to use this for our gussets. So let's grab our frame. This is going to do the front and the back. Okay, so this is going to fit onto a standard sized die cutting machine, so I'm using the Big Shot today. So we're just going to pop this onto our platform and then run it through. So this bag that I'm making today, I'm using everything that is included in the kit, so that's the cardstock and the pattern papers. So you're going to be needing to cut 2 of these. Okay, so I'm moving over to the pattern paper now, and I need to cut 2 of these as well, so I will probably end up using the other sheet of paper. So this is going to do all of your score lines as well, so there's no extra work there. Absolutely love this colour combination here, the aquas and the pinks and the purples. It works really well, and it's it's a really nice contemporary version for your Christmas, isn't it? Especially if you're not too fond of the traditional colours, this is a perfect colourway. Right, so I have my two sides here and my two fronts, so we just need to do the base now. So I need to cut two of those as well. Okay, so let's pop these aside here, and now we can start to score our lines. So with this one, I'm just going to fold these outwards, and use a bone folder as well, that's really handy. Okay, so this has got the tabs on as well for the base, and the tabs on the sides as well for attaching the front and back together. Then we have these centre lines here that's going to help form the gusset of the bag. So it's even done that little triangle piece there for you as well. Do exactly the same on the other one. I just love how versatile this die set is. Doesn't have to be for Christmas, this is perfect for bringing out for any occasion, especially with the ornate tops as well. So this is, if you wanted to make the shorter bag here, you would literally just fold this up, trim it here, and then use this shape here just as an outline to recut your shape in. So that's how I made the shorter version. So I've got everything folded now, so I can now start to assemble everything together, and I'm going to be using Cosmic Shimmer, which is my favourite glue. So I'm going to add Cosmic Shimmer just on the first tab here on this gusset, and you can use red line tape as well. All I'm going to do is just attach this on the bottom, so from the bottom, and then work my way up the score line. There we go. So I want to just see the score line so it doesn't disappear behind it. Then I'm just going to press that down. And then I'm going to add some more glue to the next tab now, so we're going to glue it all into a long line. Make sure that your tops are the same. We don't want it that way round. And then we're just going to do exactly the same, line everything up, making sure that you can see the score line still. It can be hard to see on the pattern paper, but just do your best. Okay, so that's our first side done, so now we need to add the other side here. So this is the opposite gusset. Just double checking all of the score lines are all lined up before I press that down. And now what I'm going to do is glue on the bottom pieces. And these are just simply going to be glued on the bottom like that. And if you want a stronger base to your bag, just cut out another rectangle, measure your bag after it's been put together, and then stick that on the inside or the outside, and that will add some extra strength to your bag. And then just press down. So I'm going to repeat this on the other side, and then we can glue our bag together. So to glue that together, I'm just going to fold over this gusset here, and I'm going to add some glue to that tab there, and then I'm going to press that down, and that should all line up nicely. Okay, so here is my completed bag. So you can just pop your goodies inside. You can choose to use Velcro here. You can just glue it shut or use some double-sided tape just to close that. You can see here, you can still see the lovely ornate shape there. And here it is next to my completed project. So I hope you're excited as I am for the Papercraft Society box for November. So please do make sure that you sign up before the 21st of October at midnight.